Hey guys, it's me. We're gonna do a quick little video on how to hook up a box blade to a tractor. So jump on the tractor and see how this goes. So one of the biggest pains in the neck about hooking up your implements to your tractor is backing up to your implement square. You know, like we're kind of cattywampus here. Normally you'd be out here, pulling on this thing, you know, trying to get it all evened out. But this LS has a fun little trick on it. It's called extendable link arms. So these guys we can pull out to meet us where we're at. It's really handy. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to disconnect the sway chains because we're nowhere near square, and we'll see if we can hook up to this thing. Maybe not. You know, we might have to move around a little bit, but it feels like I'm pretty square already. So we're going to disconnect these guys. This is really nice on this implement. So this is like a sandwich style link. Instead of having just an ear sitting out here, which is actually weaker, this is really strong. So you're pulling on two pieces of metal instead of one. So I'm gonna attach my lower link arms before my top link. That's the plan, at least. So we'll see how it goes. What's really nice on this tractor too is you've got a lever back here for raising and lowering your 3-point arms. How handy is that? Yeah, see, in this case I'm a little too close actually. But on the other side, I'm not. So this one we can pull out. Down a little bit. No, we're a little too far. That stinks. Well, that's okay. We'll just drive around and realign ourselves. Yeah, just about there. How close are we here? Yeah, I'm not square at all, see? That's why it's always nice to have somebody helping you. But sometimes you don't. A lot of times you don't. So having these little improvements like these adjustable arms Boy, it sure is handy. So I'm going to pull up a little bit shy and use that adjustable arm to my advantage. Look at that, right on target. Come on. Come on. As with many things in life, this is never perfect. Need a tiny bit up. Oops, there we go. Push that through. No hammer needed. Man, that's nice. What about this guy? Can we reach? I think we're short. Oh no, just a little short. So I'm gonna back up and bully this arm, and then we'll be dialed in. Almost square. If we need to, we'll just attach the top link, which we might. Let's see if we can just pull this thing. Hey, look at that. Okay, we're gonna do that. That's in. Attach our top link. I'm gonna lower it down before I do that. Watch my little toesies so they don't get stuck under this thing. Oh, no. We're jammed. That's fine. Get this top link in and we'll adjust our height. Oh, a little short. When I adjust these, you can never tell if I'm spinning them the right way. Find out how long this guy is, and then we're going to get this thing lifted up in the air and we're going to square out so we can be nice and flat and level. So this is just going to be temporary until we can lift the implement. Hello, buddy. There we go. Okay. So now we can use this to tighten up this link and bring this whole thing level. Whoops, wrong way. Let's sing our tightening the turnbuckle song here. Does anybody know the words? We go up in the air, yep. Just a little bit. Yeah, look at how this thing is straightening out quite nicely. Okay, I don't have a level. That looks straight-ish. Yeah, we'll call that straight. And then want to make sure we're pretty much even between the tires. I want a little offset this way because of what we're going to be doing. That should be fine. We'll layer down here and hook up our sway chains here. These are really nice. Instead of having turnbuckles, just find a hole that's open and poop, you're in. That is super handy. So a couple things you might not have if you're not cool like us, owning an LS tractor. Adjustable right here. That's nice. You can move them out to reach your implement. Instead of having a turnbuckle down here, which always loosens up, you can lock those in. And then what I'll be using a little later, here, we'll do it right now. Upsy daisy. Up we go. In the air. There we go. This guy. We can change the angle like this. For this guy, just spinning it. That's nice. So we'll be using that later. So what I'm supposed to do now is like find a level. Make sure we're level this way and this way, because we're gonna go out and scrape. I don't got a level with me, so I'm just gonna go lay it on the ground and see what it does. Guess that's a lazy way of doing it. Anyway, there you go. Hooking up your box blade to the back of your tractor. Not too bad. A lot easier because we got things like box style sway chains, extendable lower link arms. I think you can buy those if you don't have them. They're the nicest thing in the world. We didn't have to have a crowbar out here moving this thing or have 3 people lifting it. So that's it. Have fun, guys.